Welcome back. In our last lesson, we covered legato. So today, we're going to build on that with the melody for Lightly Row. This is a common folk song and it uses steps and skips. Let's look at this on the keyboard. If I play C and then D, that's a step. But if I play C, then E, we call that a skip. So when we say step, we're simply moving to the very next note. So even from E to F, that's a step. D to E, that's a step. Okay, and then a skip is when we jump over a note. So like from D to F, that's a skip. If I put finger 5 on G and I want to skip down, it sounds like this. This is actually how Lightly Row starts. It starts with a skip down from G, and then we're going to repeat the E. So we're going to go. Remember to keep the notes connected, or legato. If you're not sure what legato is, please make sure that you watch my previous video on this. If you're not sure what legato is, please make sure that you watch my previous video on this. So here's that opening again. Now we're going to play exactly the same pattern, but this time starting on F. So from F, we'll skip down and play a repeated note. I'll do that again. Now let's put it together from the beginning. So starting on G, so it's G, skip down, repeat, F, skip down, repeat. Next, we are going to add a C 5-finger scale, and it's going to end with 3 repeated Gs, just like that. I'll show you again. Let's put everything together from the beginning. I'll count us in. 1, 2, ready, go. So G, then F, scale. Let's call this section the A section, because it's the first section of our song. The next section is very similar to that A section, but there are a few differences, so I'm going to call this the A variation. Instead of 2 repeated notes, it features 3, like this. One, 2, 3. And then it also ends differently. So instead of going up in steps, like what we did last time, we're actually going to go up in skips, like this. Skip, skip. I'll show you again. So from C, skip, and skip. Let's repeat that G, and then end on repeated E's. 2, 3. I'd like to play that ending one more time. So it was. Okay, so let's play the A section followed by the A variation. This is what it sounds like. So remember to start on G. I'll count us in. 1, 2, ready, play. Variation. This now takes us to the middle section, which I'm going to call the B section. The B section starts with 5 repeated notes, and then we go up in steps. So starting first on D, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we go up. I'll show you again. So starting on D, 5 Ds, then you go up in steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, go up. And then we do the same thing on E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we go up. Okay, so that's the B section. So we're going to play the song from the beginning. Remember, the structure is A section, A variation, B section. Actually, I might as well tell you the complete song. The complete song is A section, A variation, B section, and then we go back to the A variation. So knowing the structure of a song makes music easier to memorize. So here is the song, and I'm going to try and play my best legato. 1, 2, ready, go. Now it's your turn. But before you play, please make sure that you check your posture. So are you sitting tall? Are your feet flat on the ground? Is your hand position curved and relaxed? Are you playing from the pad of your finger? Are you taking the keys? And are you listening for beautiful legato, especially on the repeated notes? Constantly check these things until they become second nature for you every time you play. Pause the video to practice, and once you feel comfortable playing the notes, then you can try and play along with the backing track, just like this. Alright. So, in our next lesson, we're going to learn all about chords. But before you go to that lesson, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Share any questions in the comments below. Please like, share these videos with anyone who you think might benefit from them, because I think the more of us playing music, the better. Also, don't forget to download the backing track to Lightly Row in the description below. I'll see you guys in the next video.